Hi, I'm Greta, and welcome to Chapter 5 of this English course for beginners. Today we will be learning about personal pronouns and subject pronouns. Woohoo! Sounds fun! Let's get started. Before we talk about pronouns, we need to learn about what a noun is. Any ideas? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. Here are some examples of nouns. Butter, football, anger, Tom Holland, England, tree, love, dad, time. Look at these nouns. Do you notice anything about them? There are two types of nouns: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are nouns that we can see, touch, hear, smell, and taste. We can taste the butter. We can see Tom Holland. We can touch the football. Abstract nouns are nouns that we can't hear, see, smell, touch, or taste. Which of these nouns are abstract nouns? That's right, love is an abstract noun. Love is a feeling or an idea. We can't touch it, we can't see it. Anger is another abstract noun. We might be able to see that someone is angry, but we can't see anger itself. We can't touch it, we can't smell it. Time is also an abstract noun. We can't touch or hear time. If you can't interact with it, it is an abstract noun. So remember, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. To show your understanding, write 5 nouns in the comments below. Okay, we know what a noun is. Now, what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. We use a pronoun instead of a noun so that we don't keep repeating the noun over and over and over again. There are many different types of pronouns. So today we will focus on personal pronouns and subject pronouns. I, he, she, they. These are all examples of personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a word that is used to talk about a particular person without using their name. Personal pronouns can also be used instead of using the name of these 5 things. It can be used for singular, one person, or for plural, more than one person. The personal pronouns are I, you, singular, he, she, it, you, plural, we, they. I, you, singular, he, she, and it are used for singular nouns. So one person or one object. You, plural, we, and they are used for plural nouns. More than one person or more than one object. I is used by the speaker to talk about themselves. I am a teacher. You, singular, is used to talk about the person you are talking to. You are funny. He is used to talk about a person who identifies as male. He has a cat. She is used to talk about a person who identifies as female. She wears a dress. It is used to talk about an object, a place, an animal, or an idea. It is on the table. You, plural, is used to talk to a group of people. This is plural. You are all so funny. We is used to talk about a group of people, including the speaker. We like to read. This is plural. They is used to talk about a group of people, not including the speaker. They are loud. They is used to talk about a group of objects or more than one object. Where are the keys? They are on the hook. They is also used to talk about a person when you don't know their gender. So you don't know if they are male or female. I think we have a new neighbor. They are very quiet. We haven't met the neighbor yet, so we don't know if they are male or female. So we use they. They is also used for non-binary people who don't identify as male or female. Why do we use personal pronouns? If you are using the name of a person or an object over and over again, it can get very repetitive, which means it is the same thing that happens again and again and again and again and again. Look at this example. Greta is a teacher from Ireland. Greta likes to teach. For breakfast, Greta eats... What? Sorry, what? I'm sorry, I fell asleep. In this example, Greta is the noun. We can use the personal pronoun she instead of repeating the name over and over again. This makes it less repetitive. Remember, we're using she because Greta is female. Greta is a teacher from Ireland. She likes to teach English. For breakfast, she eats. Let's practice using personal pronouns. Sam is strong. Emily, Rose, and I are doctors. Sarah, Harry, and Anna are from Spain. Kate loves her cat. The window is closed. The dog is happy. Great work. Okay, let's talk about subject pronouns. A subject pronoun is a pronoun that is used instead of the subject of a sentence. What is the subject of a sentence? The subject of the sentence is the person, place, object, idea, or feeling that is doing something or being something. It is the noun that is being talked about or described. Look at these examples. The boy is laughing. In this example, the boy is the subject of the sentence. We are describing what the boy is doing. The book is interesting. In this sentence, the book is the subject of the sentence. We are describing the book. The milk is in the fridge. In this sentence, the milk is the subject of the sentence. We are describing where the milk is. Tom walks home. Here, Tom is the subject of the sentence. We are describing what Tom is doing. And Tom is performing or doing the action, walking. Can you identify the subject of these sentences? The door is open. Kate is eating. The apple is sweet. The dog is running. France is a beautiful country. The cinema is crowded. Good job. Let's check your answers. The door. The door is being described as open. Kate. Kate is doing the action. She is eating. The apple is described as sweet. The dog is doing the action. He is running. The cinema is described as crowded. As I said before, it can sound a little strange when we repeat the subject of the sentence over and over again. Look at this example. Is the door open? I am cold. Will you see if the door is open? Will you close the door, please? The door, the door, the door, the door. My dog is called Rex. My dog is friendly and full of energy. My dog enjoys going for long walks. My dog, my dog, my dog. Let's make these sentences less repetitive by using the subject pronoun. Is the door open? I am cold. Will you see if it is open? Will you close it, please? We are talking about the door, which is an object, so we use it. My dog is called Rex. He is friendly and full of energy. He enjoys going for long walks. We use he because it is a male dog. If it was a female dog, we can use she. Here are some more examples. Be careful, the pizza is hot. Be careful, it is hot. Or, it's hot. The pizza is an object, so we use it. The pencils are on the table. They are on the table. Pencils is plural, so we use they. Now you try. Can you replace the subject of the sentence with the correct subject pronouns? Sam, Ben, and Craig are going to the restaurant. Tom works really hard. The beach is my favorite place. Paul and I are engaged. Did you read the article? I think Sarah is so smart. I hope the new teacher is nice. The clothes are drying. Okay, let's check your answers. They are going to the restaurant. We are talking about more than one person, not including the speaker, so we use they. He works really hard. Tom is male, so we use he. The beach is a place, so we use it. We are engaged. We are talking about more than one person, including the speaker, so we use we. Did you read it? The article is a thing, so we use it. I think she is so smart. Sarah is female, so we use she. I hope they are nice. We don't know the gender of the teacher yet, so we use they. They are drying. The clothes is plural, so we use they. Well done! Okay, let's review what we have learned. We have learned that a noun is the name of a person, a place, an object, a feeling, or an idea. There are two types of nouns: concrete nouns like tree and abstract nouns like love. A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. There are lots of different types of pronouns. A personal pronoun is a word we use instead of the name of a person, an animal, or an object. A subject pronoun is a word we use instead of the subject of the sentence. The subject of the sentence is the person, the place, the object, the feeling, or the idea that is doing something or being something. It is the noun that is performing the action. I hope this helps. Please write any questions or any comments below. You can find a free PDF with notes from today's lessons in the description below, so check it out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next chapter. Bye.